So hey, in yesterday video, we have discussed about the one thing that I have missed was the callback. So let's see what is actually the callback. So there was a beautiful example to explain the callback as well. So for example, there is a uh, kid, kid uh, that is actually doing the homework. So there's a teacher. Let's say there's a teacher who has gave the gave the homework, and then the kid is actually, so there are two friends. So kid one and kid two. So kid one is a little bit, you can say, smart, or he is intelligent. So he does the homework, and kid two, because and he distributes his homework. Basically gives his homework to kid two. So kid one actually uh, actually does the homework. He does the homework, and kid two copies the homework. Right. So so basically, kid two actually depend on the kid one. So as soon as kid one finishes to doing the homework, then only the kid two will be copying, right? So let's now connect the dots, right? So for example, if I write maybe a two function, see what I must const do homework as such, yeah, do homework, and log I am doing homework. And the second function is paying copy homework. So copy homework, what it will do. So for example, there is block copy, right? So I mean, at a normal thing, you would say that, okay, so do homework should be executed first, and then the copy homework will be executed next, right? So it is basically the do homework is actually dependent on the copy. I mean, the copy homework actually dependent on the do homework, right? So as soon as the do homework is completed, then only the copy homework will get executed. So what it will do is, so there here is the concept of uh, the callback comes in. So callback is basically a function inside a function. So so as soon as the do homework completed, then only copy homework will get executed, right? So what I will do is I can pass the copy homework as an argument here, and what I will do is I'll just catch it here, right? So function is basically my copy homework now, right? So as soon as it will do the, so I am done. So let's see, I'm done doing. And then what it will do, it will just execute the function here. So what is the function now? So I don't need to do this, right? So as soon as the do homework will get executed, then only the function will get executed. So it is kind of a asynchronous function, right? So it is behaving asynchronously. So it is basically dependent on the do homework function. So whenever the do homework gets executed, it is, if it's finished executing, then only the function will get executed, right? So if I save this file, so you would see that first the I am doing is getting executed, and then the function getting executed. So copying. So it is basically depending on the doing homework, right? So yeah, I mean, this was the very basic example of callback. There are much more into it. There are callback hells as well. So to get rid of the callback hells, there is promises that I have made the video previously. So, so callback has a, because it behaves as an asynchronously. So you can do many tasks. I mean, one inside another callback, then one inside another callback. So there are many nested callbacks. So it becomes very hard to debug as well as, I mean, for those who are working in your code. So there I mean, concept of promises came. So yeah, I mean, this was the all about callback. Hope you liked the video. So yeah, thanks a lot.